Hello everyone, back to the second part of the video. As you can see from my bed, this is everything that I have gotten from the second shop. Let me go through them one by one. Okay, I'm going to talk about the bracelet first because they have different kinds as I've shown you before. They have like this flexible kind, and this time I've gotten two. They're quite big for my wrist because my wrist tends to be like the lengthy one, not circle wrist, but they look nice. And then they have this one, but they only have one size for this one, which is kind of bad. Okay, this two, you may not have seen this before, but they are they are stoppers. It's kind of like clamps for the other one, but stoppers for this one. Because this one you cannot put clamps, it will like slide around still. Okay, I have something extra to share. My sister were like looking for letters for, because her friend and her name it's like E and A, and she wanted to buy bracelet outside, and then I was telling her that I can get it cheap out in this kind of shop. So that's why I went out and also got all these like different kind for her. You see, they're actually different kinds. Some of them they have run off A's, so her surname is W, and then I use W. There's like the flowers. Those that you can't see the crystal, they are actually on the other side, so I'm sorry about that. So now I'm gonna move on to this part. This is what I use for all the tangling stuff. This is two flowers, this is an angel, this is two crosses, and this is where you put the tangling things. This is yeah. So I finished this part. Now let me move on to all these different shapes. This is like all the other one, like kind of plastic one that I told you about. This is all the different colors that they have in this shop. That's why I've gotten more on the other in the other shop. And this one, they are glasses. They're glass. Yeah, if you can see them. Okay, I think further away is better. They are glass, so they are quite heavy. But Pandora chains are all really heavy. This one can be all put into one chain. This is like if you watch the first mini haul that I had, it's another different design. This is like shiny stuff inside. And now I'm gonna talk about the clamps. This is the same clamps as the one on my wrist right now. Okay, I don't know how to make it focus. Probably the phone just doesn't focus, yeah. But this is the same. This one is a different kind, you can see here. It's like, oh, it's not crystal, it's just some rough shapes. No, texture, which I can't explain. Okay, this two, you can see here. One is white, one is green. It's similar to this one on my wrist. The pink one on my wrist. Okay, so hard to see. These are all crystals. You can see these are all crystals. Okay, these three are huge, but I only plan to put like one of them on one chain. That is like the focus of the chain. These are all porcelain. They have flowers on the side. Porcelain. This one it's like I'm not sure, is it glass? I don't think it's glass. It's sort of like cut edged synthetic stuff, but then it has colors. It's similar to this one on my wrist. This one, the one which is not very clear, and then it's a bit transparent. Okay, and then you can see here, this is because you see on my wrist I have two hearts. One is blue, one is light blue, and then I realized that they have the red one too. And this is another one which is just a ball. It's just a ball with holes, but it looks nice. And this is two new additions that I see to their collections. Sort of like a ciders, like you put it in between the charms. and it has 2 different crystals. And I realized, last but not least, that if you don't have metals on the charm, on the chain itself, it's very hard to separate the bits because sometimes you just need the metals to be there. So basically this is the end of my haul. So thank you very much for watching. I try to cut it as short as possible. At first, okay, this is one joke. At first I thought this bottle is going to be enough for everything that I bought, but then it turned out no, I need a box. So I'm gonna get a box soon. See you guys soon. Please subscribe to me if you like it.